Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, 2008. AT&T is planning to buy rural phone company Centennial Communications for $944 million in cash as part of its wireless network expansion in Puerto Rico and part of the U.S. PE Hub reports that AT&T is seeking approval for the deal from the Centennial shareholders and regulators by the second quarter of 2009. And staying with capital markets news, Belgium's largest telephone company, Belgacom, will acquire a Dutch telecommunications company, Scarlet, for $235 million. The deal will close by the end of November. Bloomberg News reports that regulatory approval of the acquisition is conditional on Belgacom selling Scarlet's fiber optic network and a cap on prices for broadband internet services. And in more capital markets news, Grand Canyon Education has scheduled its initial public offering for November 19th. An online post-secondary services provider, Grand Canyon Education, is expecting $200 million from the sale. According to PE Hub, Arizona-based Grand Canyon Education is the first IPO in the country in more than 3 months, and Credit Suisse and Merrill Lynch will underwrite the deal. And in other capital markets news, Philippine beverage, food, and packaging conglomerate San Miguel is seeking to buy at least 51% of a stake in Indonesian mining major PT Bumi Resources. The company had hoped for an alliance with PT Bakri and Brothers to bolster its bid for PT Bumi, but according to the steel guru, PT Bumi owns the world's largest exporting coal mine. It has 11 billion tons of mineable coal reserves and has posted about 55 million tons in average sales over the past 3 years. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.